Hello guys, we are from Group 9, Public Health Science Class D, and this video we will discuss about the preposition parts, and the following is
Hello guys, my name is Yeni Anggreyani. Before knowing what is a prepositional phrase, it is important to know what is a preposition and what is a phrase. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship of a noun or pronoun or connect a noun or a pronoun with other part of a sentence. A phrase is a group of words that doesn't the subject-verb combination. So, a preposition phrase is a phrase that starts with a preposition and is followed by the object of preposition. Between the preposition and the object of the preposition are words that modify the object. A preposition phrase consists of preposition in, at, with, for, from, by, of, and to, followed by a noun phrase or pronoun, which is called preposition object. Preposition phrase often describe relationship of time and location, among others. Often, preposition phrase come at the beginning of sentence, but they may appear in other part of sentence as well. The correct answer for this type of item may be a preposition is object or both, as well as other part of sentence. You may see preposition is detector, especially before the subject of the sentence. Remember, the object of a preposition can correctly by the subject of a sentence.
my name is Zahara Syafitri, and I will explain about the type of preposition parts. Adjective preposition parts. This type of preposition is usually found after a noun and as such. It functions as a word describing the noun in the file. The purpose of having a prepositional parts, adjective, is to provide a more detailed explanation of the noun that is explained in the preposition use. In general, what is included in preposition is about, because of, along with, as well as, according, and in front of. Adverbial preposition parts is known as a prepositional parts that comes after the verb in a sentence, and therefore acts as an adverb that describes the verb. The purpose of these types of parts is to provide more information about the verbs being discussed. In general, what is included in preposition is about, after, at, before, behind, by, during, for, from, in, of, over, past, to, under, up, and with.
Hello guys, my name is Virnimuthia Xaviera. Today I want to tell you about the function of prepositions. There are 6 functions of prepositions. First is head of prepositional phrases. Second is modifies noun phrase, adjective phrase, and verb phrase. Third is complements, noun phrases, adjective phrases, and verb phrases. Fourth is adjuncts. Adjuncts is a word or phrase that used to amplify or modify the meaning of another word or words in the sentence. Fifth is adverbials. Adverbials means that a word or phrase functioning like an adverb. The last one is particles. Particles means that any of the class of words such as in, of, up, over, and etc. with verbs to make phrasal essential to express the relationship of any noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. So the role and functions of preposition depends on the placement of prepositional phrases in the given sentence. Like other parts of speech, prepositions are also classified in various forms as per the requirement of expressions. So that's all for the function of prepositions. Thank you. So beside that function, there are the function of preposition. So prepositions perform three formal functions in sentences. They can act as an adjective modifying a noun, as an adverb modifying a verb, or as a nominal when used in conjunction with the verb from to be. First is prepositions functioning as adjectives. In the following sentence, prepositional phrases perform the function of modifying the nouns boat, pen, and truck. First is, look at the boat with the blue sail. Second is, please hand me the pen next to the telephone. And last one is, have him move to the truck with the trailer. Second is prepositions functioning as adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs by explaining when, where, how, and to what extent something is occurring. In the examples, notice how the prepositional phrases perform adverbial functions by modifying the verbs run, tell, and want. Okay, first is the coyote runs after the rabbit. Second, the car stalled despite the tune-up. And the last one is, the team won without the starting quarterback. And the third is prepositions functioning as nominals. In English, sometimes words function as nouns but aren't themselves nouns. These words are called nominals. Prepositional phrases sometimes perform this important function in sentences when they are used in a conjunction with the verb to be. For the example, the park is next to the hospital. Second, the student is between an A and a B. And the last one is, the fight scene is before the second act. And the last one is semantic properties of prepositions. In semantic terms, the function of prepositional phrases is to illustrate a particular relationship between words. These relationships include spatial, logical, or temporal relationships between the object of the prepositional phrase and the other components of the sentence. So, prepositions are essential to.
And the last, the example is for waiting. For here is a preposition as the head or essence, and waiting, which is gerund of object preposition. Then for waiting in here is a series preposition phrases. Hello guys, my name is Zulfa Khairunnisa. I'm from group 9 English. Here I will explain a little about example of the preposition phrases. The first example is in the next year. In here is a preposition as the head or essence, and the next year, which is a noun phrase as the object of the preposition. Then in the next year, here is a preposition phrases. The second example is from Indonesia. From here is a preposition as the head or essence, and Indonesia as the object preposition. And then from Indonesia, here is a series preposition process. The third example is in front of you. In front of is a preposition as the head or essence, and you is a modifier of pronoun as the object of the preposition. Then, in front of you, here is a series preposition process. The fourth example is the guy in gray shirt is my brother. In here is a preposition. The shirt object preposition. The guy is noun. In the gray is as an adjective which description in the gray. Then in the guy in gray shirt is my brother. Here is a series of the preposition process. And the last, the example is for waiting. For here is a preposition as the head or essence, and waiting, which is gerund of object preposition. Then for waiting in here is a series preposition process.
Hello guys, my name is Zachra Indira Utami. I'm from group 9, English class B. I will tell you example of the preposition first. The first is, my little sister was born in midnight on June 2006. My little sister is a subject, was is a verb, and at midnight is a preposition. The example number 2 is, Sasa put her book in secret box. Sasa is a subject, put is a verb, and its secret box is a preposition. Number 3, my friend playing football in backyard. My friend is a subject, playing is a verb, in backyard is a preposition verb. Number 4, he come here by an expensive bicycle. He is a subject, come is a verb, and by is a preposition verb. And the last is, the photo was turned up by the naughty kids. The photo is a subject, turn up is a verb, and by is a preposition. So from this, I will tell you a sentence of preposition first is from subject, verb or pronoun, and the preposition.